Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Now this is a sponsored video from Lovable. However, I would have made this video anyway, but I need to mention that this is a sponsored video by Lovable. Thanks Lovable for sponsoring this video. What I'm going to show you in this video is their latest update. Basically, they're live on Product Hunt. Make sure to go and give them an upvote. I'm just going to give them an upvote real quick. So yeah, just head to Product Hunt. Okay, skip. God. Right, there we go. And yeah, basically what this is it's like having Figma inside Lovable, right? So I've shown how to make a website like this on Lovable before. However, one thing that used to be kind of slower, but now should be a lot quicker, is that you can now press edit and then edit like anything in this div, right? Individually. So I can click on this image, for example. Right, it's a little bit buggy, I think. I clicked on the image and it actually went on the image. They should probably change that. And we'll just say border radius large, let's say, and then press save. Let's just go back to the home page. Okay, so I'm not sure if that worked. Let's just try something else. So let's see. So this text, we can now reduce the margin, or we can increase the font size, right? We can change the color. This is actually super useful because previously you'd have to manually say, please change this to black. And it was just really annoying actually when you're starting a website. But now you've got like the power of Figma and AI inside Lovable, meaning you can make a really, really stylish website with exactly what you want on the website, right? So let's say I actually don't like this orange color. Let's change this orange color to, let's say, black. And do the same thing here. Change this to black. And then hit save, right? And then actually, these should, if I'm not mistaken, be going directly onto the website itself. So if I go on craftagencyus.com, and then scroll down. Okay, this hasn't updated yet, but I think this will just automatically update. So you can see on the deployments on Vercel, this was there was an update just now. So if I refresh this now, there we go. Our case studies is now bigger. I believe this also changed, and then this is also black, right? So this is a really cool update for an AI tool like Bolt or whatever, because now you can change the small things after you've built something in a much quicker way without without messing around with prompting and worrying about code being deleted, and maybe something doesn't look good on mobile. You can just very quickly edit it now instead of kind of wasting time, right? A lot of the times the reason that it doesn't work on mobile is because the header isn't set for mobile, so you'll be able to change that now a lot more quickly. Like we could change this to make sure that it's mobile friendly. And yeah, overall a very, very good update from Lovable. It makes the small parts of editing the look of a website after you've built it much, much easier. So I'll leave the video there, guys. Definitely go and check this out. Definitely upvote Lovable. They're doing some really cool things on their builder. They're definitely the most innovative. I did originally start using Bolt, but Lovable is definitely more innovative than Bolt with what they're bringing to the table. It's kind of like the ChatGPT versus Claude thing. ChatGPT was like the big one that everyone used, but then Claude came along and they were doing some really cool things. Like they came up with artifacts, and they came up with computer use, or whatever it's called, MCU, I think it's called. Anyway, I'll leave the video there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end of this video, you're an absolute legend. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.